Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about nail stickers and how to use them with gel. One of my favorite brands of nail stickers is called Deco Miami. They make the cutest nail stickers. Like, check some of these out. Adorable. Look at like these little trolls. Those so cute, and they're super easy to use. I know not everyone likes to hand paint. I do like hand painting nail designs, but there are certain occasions where it's a little bit more convenient to use a sticker, or it just kind of gives a different look that I'm after versus like hand painting, so I'll go for a sticker. There's a fairly new nail art shop called Vacation Nail Shop, and they sell tons of nail art items, and it's actually owned by Rachel, who is a fellow nail tech, and I love supporting other nail techs. It makes me so happy when they start all of these different kinds of businesses, and I love supporting them. And she was kind enough to give me an affiliate code, so I do have a code Katie10, which will save you 10% off if you want to order anything from Vacation Nail Shop. They do have these Deco Miami stickers, as well as a bunch of other brands of stickers, and they have glitters and foils and embellishments, like a whole wide range of really nice, really cool, trending nail art items. So definitely check out her little shop, Vacation Nail Shop. But I did want to make sure and say I bought these with my own money. She did not tell me to make this video. It is not sponsored. I've been wanting to share with you guys how to easily use nail stickers in your designs using gel. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, here's just some of the Deco Miami nail art stickers, just to give you guys a little overview of some of them. This one is called Sunny Side Up. It's probably my favorite. I will probably use this one today, and it's got just a really cute kind of random mix of kind of some popular things going on right now. We got rainbows, we got trolls, butterflies are really popular. We got some food, little sushi eggs, avocados. We've even got some little gold smileys down there. This one is called Jewels. I have used this one, which is why there's some missing little spots. But these are kind of like little tiny, they're supposed to be like jewels, but they're actually stickers. So they're a little bit flatter if you are someone that maybe doesn't want anything raised up on your nail. Maybe if you don't like that, but you want the look of a jewel or crystal, then this one's kind of fun. This one is called Mod London. So it's just kind of like some checkers, some little modern flowers. We got our little London bus on there, super cute. And this one's called Golden Hour, which is a bunch of different modern abstract shapes, golden little outlines, leaves, lots of different things like that. So I think I'm gonna go with the Sunny Side Up stickers because they're just so adorable, and I'm super excited to use them. So I'm gonna open them up here, pull out our sticker sheet, and now we're gonna prep our nail for the stickers. So what we wanna do is, I've already applied our gel layer. This is gonna be our background color, just a nice neutral kind of pinkish color. We want to remove any sort of tacky layer, so I have my lint-free wipe with some cleanser, which is just like 99% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to wipe the nail so that we don't have any sticky layer on there. We want just the nice surface to apply our stickers on, and you'll notice it will kind of go slightly, not totally matte, but it will go, it'll kind of look a little more cloudy than super shiny, which is what we want. If you are applying your stickers on a color coat, like let's just say a red, if the gel polish that you're using tends to bleed if you wipe it, then you would want to apply a base coat first, then wipe the tacky layer. So let's just say this was a red nail. If I wiped that red layer straight with my alcohol, it's going to bleed a little bit. Some don't really do it that much, some do it more, so it just depends on the gel that you're using. So I might use a base coat first on top of the red color, then go ahead and wipe it, and then we'll be at that kind of cloudy, smooth surface that we want to apply our stickers on. So now what we want is to get a nice pair of tweezers that we can hold on to the stickers really easily. And to pick a sticker up, instead of just trying to grab the sticker, it's a little bit easier if you bend the plastic backing to get an edge to pop up from the sticker, and then that way you kind of have less risk of ripping that sticker off if you can kind of get an edge to pop up first, and it will make it a little bit easier to grab onto. And I'm just gently removing the sticker from the backing, and I'm going to just place it where I would like it onto the nail, just like so. And I'm going to gently smooth out that sticker, making sure it's really stuck good onto the nail, starting from one end of the sticker and then moving to the other end just to make sure we don't have any bubbles and we get a nice smooth application. Then you can even take a silicone tool like this, and you can even use that to kind of push that sticker nice and flat, making sure we're getting any air bubbles out and that it's nice and adhered and smooth. The best nail stickers will be very thin. You can see how thin that is, so it doesn't add a lot of bulk. If you're using other stickers, sometimes if they're a little bit too thick, then it's going to create a little bit more difficulty for you when to cover it with gel, just because it's going to create a lot of uneven surfaces. So the best nail stickers are very thin and they won't add a lot of bulk at all. So there we go, we've added our butterfly. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple more because I want to kind of make a little collage, like a scrapbook kind of look. That's how I love to use stickers. So again, I'm gonna bend the backing so that I can get a nice little edge. Grab the sticker, and I'm gonna place this one maybe off to the side over here, smoothing it down from one end and working up to the other end. You can even use your finger because the nail's not sticky anymore, so you can use your finger also to push it down and make sure it's nice and smooth. Look how cute that is. We got our little troll doll and our little butterfly. One thing you do want to avoid when working with stickers is placing a sticker so that it overlaps the edge, because that's going to give you a little bit more difficulty. If you do need to do that, if you're going for that certain look where you need something to be coming out from the edge, I would grab a pair of scissors and make sure to trim it so that there's still slightly a little piece of border of the nail that's not covered with a sticker. If your sticker goes all the way to the edge, you do risk chipping or lifting of your top coat, anything like that. So I want to have like a nice clean edge around the nail, a nice border, so that we can seal everything in and there's not any little pieces of this sticker that could kind of get caught and lift away. I'm thinking we need a couple more just to complete this collage look that I am going for. I definitely want to use one of these gold smileys. Those are super fun and cute. And again, that's why it's really nice to have thin stickers, because if you want to overlap, you're not going to end up with a big bulky look. And you can even use this clear backing to kind of get an idea of which stickers you want to place and where you want to place them before you go ahead and do that. I think I want the avocado because I like the green, the contrast of the green. Giving everything a really good press. I'm going to go over everything with the silicone tool just to make sure everything's nice and smoothed out. This is where you can decide if you want to top coat. Depending on your top coat, if it's a little bit of a thinner top coat, I would top coat twice just to make sure everything's sealed in and it's nice and smooth. If you have a thicker top coat, you can usually get away with one coat, one kind of like juicy kind of floating layer of top coat, That'll cover everything super nicely and get it nice and smooth, and you won't have any bumps where you see the stickers. So from here, at this point, you could definitely top coat. I'm gonna add a little bit more just because I love, again, creating this little scrapbook layered look, and I'll show you guys how to add some little sparkles that'll kind of accent the look and give it just a little bit more depth and glam to these nail stickers. So I've got some glitters here, also from Vacation Nail Shop, and we have some stars, some different colored stars, and some little circles over there. So I'm gonna go in with my base coat, and I'm going to go over the entire nail. So this is kind of one layer that will seal those stickers in really nicely. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my dotting tool and just get a little bit of a base coat on there, and I'm going to add some of these little dots, which will kind of add to this little scrapbook kind of look that I'm going for. And I'm just randomly kind of placing them around the stickers. You can add some of the bigger ones also if you want. I also have some little star glitters here that I'm going to add as well, just a couple because I think it'll make it look really cute. All right, and there we kind of have our little layered scrapbook look. And again, this is in a wet layer of base coat. So now I want to cure this, and then it will hold all those little glitters in place. All right, then our final step is to just do a nice glossy coat of top coat. So I've brushed on a thinner layer of top coat, and then I'm going to get just a little bit more product just to kind of float it on and get that nice juicy layer that's gonna cover everything. And I'm checking from all angles, making sure I don't see any pieces of glitter or sticker sticking up out of the top coat. That way we know everything is really nicely sealed in. You can even tip the nail upside down if you want to make sure that top coat is really nice and even and everything's gonna be covered. And I'm using for this the Cocoist Ultra Glossy Non-Wipe Top Coat. It has been a favorite of mine for quite a few months now. Absolutely love it. It is a soak-off top coat. Here's the end result after we've top coated, and it's super nice and shiny and glossy and beautiful, and everything's nice and sealed in and super easy to do. So it really creates a fun look that, you know, if I tried to hand paint all of this stuff, it would take me 10 times as long. So it's just kind of a fun way to add a nail art design if you are short on time, or maybe you just aren't someone who enjoys hand painting. And also, like, a look like this is just different than a hand painted look. So it just kind of depends on the type of style that you're going for. A couple other things that I wanted to mention is we want to make sure, again, that there's no sticky layer on the nail when we apply the stickers, but I also don't like to apply them on top of a matte top coat. And I wanted to make sure and say that because while, yes, the stickers will stick to a matte top coat, anytime you have this little, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it on camera, but anytime you have this little clear edge that outlines your sticker, if you put that on a matte top coat, once you top coat it, you'll see kind of this cloudy looking edge around your sticker, and that's because underneath of the sticker is matte and you have that clear little border around the sticker. You're gonna see this almost like matte edge around each sticker. So that's why I like to apply it over a base coat or a color coat that's just been wiped, not a matte top coat. So skip the matte top coat. Also, one more top coat that is great for covering stickers that I wanted to throw in there as well is the Izemi Resin 99.9. This is their Top Gel High. So the high means that it's really thick. So this is a very, very thick top coat, thicker than the one that I used on this nail, which was, again, the Cocoist Ultra Glossy Non-Wipe. thicker than that one. So if you are piling on a lot of stickers, a lot of glitter, and you need to basically encapsulate the nail, I would use this top coat. It's really, really thick, so it'll cover everything in one nice glossy coat. It's really, really nice. The only difference is this one is not a no wipe, so you will need to cleanse it. The Cocoist Ultra Glossy is a no wipe. So those are like kind of like my two favorite top coats if you're going to be doing a technique like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you picked up some tips and tricks that will help you in your next nail art sticker design. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and I do have links in my description box which will take you to my website where I have online courses, and I'm planning on uploading some new nail art online courses, so make sure to check out that. Sign up for the list so you are notified of when any new courses come out, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.